What's up YouTube, Sean Forney here, and I'm going to do a quick little overview, maybe a little bit of a review on the Big League Lawns Checkmate Yard Striper, and this particular one is for Kubota ZD1211. So you can see me, I just got done mowing the grass. You can see some stripes in there. I'm a rookie at this, so I'm probably gonna get better over time, but I at least wanted to do a quick little video, talk about installation. Ignore how disgustingly dirty my tractor is. I've had it for a couple years now. It has just over 100 hours on it now. Absolutely love it. It is a 60-inch deck. So everybody stay tuned, do a quick little video and show you the overview. I did take a little picture before. It's the first time I've been able to get over to our summer cabin this year, so the grass was, I don't know, 10, 12 inches tall. So everybody stay tuned. Okay, again, ignore how disgustingly dirty my tractor is. It sits in the equipment shed and it hasn't been cleaned yet this year, but overall, this is pretty simple. I believe this is a 48-inch Checkmate striper. It goes to the middle of the tires is where they tell you to measure from. And it comes with some instructions. I mean, they're okay. I think they could do a little bit better of a job, but for you that are doing it, I didn't find many videos, so that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this video. Maybe I can help somebody else so they don't get frustrated, because there's a couple different, they give you 3 different mounting options, A, B, and C. One of them is behind the mower deck, which I didn't think was gonna work. And then there's 2 different ones back here. I'm not sure where the one is, but the Kubotas, on the instructions, it said that there were nuts on the inside. There were no nuts on this one, but this is a hole from the factory here. So you slide this, put that in the middle, that allows it to go up and down without any issue. And you know, overall, pretty simple, self-explanatory. They slide in here so you can get the right width, so it's centered. You put this bracket here, or these 2 on, this metal piece, and they give you an option. It says on the ZD1211, it's best just to put this piece in here, which I actually may wind up doing. That way it sits like straight under here, but I kind of like where it's at right now. Yeah, it makes it a little bit tighter to back up, but overall I'm happy with where it's at. So I did use all of the pieces that they come with. They give you a different mounting option. They come with 2 mounting options, but this is the one that I chose to go with, but I like it. But again, there is a pre-drilled hole already here on the ZD1211 Kubota tractors. So this is where this is your mounting point here. But overall, I think it's pretty self-explanatory of installation after you're looking at it. And you can see the finished product right here, and I will go up on my deck. It'll look better. Again, I'm still getting kind of used to what height I want to decide to mow it at, but I looked online, they say 3 to 4 inches is ideal depending on the type of grass that you have, but I only get over here every few weeks, so I didn't want to have to mow it that tall. So it is a little probably on the shorter side, but you can see the stripes in the yard. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied because, again, I'll put a picture on here. You can see how tall it is before. And this, you know, you can see the river right down there. This is really good, fertile river valley soil here in West Virginia along the Kicapin River. But it was really, really tall. So overall, I'm very, very satisfied with how it turned out. So everybody, if you have any specific questions on the Big League Lawns Checkmate striping kit, feel free to comment below. I'll be glad to answer any questions. I think it was right around $400 for those wondering about the cost. I will put a link to the striping kit that I purchased for my tractor in the information section of the video. But if you have any additional questions, feel free to comment below. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.